Hey guys, welcome to question MM193 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So we've got this equation, or this graph, I guess, y equals 2 log e of 2x plus 1. And we know that the normal to this graph has the equation y equals negative 3x plus a. We need to find the value of a in this case, okay? So first things first is we know that the gradient of the normal is negative 3, all right? Which means that we can find out the gradient of the tangent to the function at that point. So if our normal, mn, is equal to negative 3, that means that our tangent gradient is equal to negative 1 over that number, which means we get negative 1 over negative 3, which is 1 on 3. Cool? So that's our first piece of information, all right? Because we're trying to find out what a is, but we don't know where this point is happening, right? So we're not going to be able to find a. So basically what we need to do is find the x and y value that this normal is occurring at, which means that we can then find our value for a, okay? So we know that the gradient of the tangent at this particular point is going to be 1 on 3, and in order to kind of, well, we need to find out what x value this is occurring at, okay? So we need to equate our gradient with our derivative, right? So we know that y is equal to 2 log e of 2x plus 1. And our derivative is equal to 2 times, and this is a shortcut for our logs. So we do the derivative of the inside function in a log over this function, right? So our derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2, so we put a 2 on the top, and then we just put that straight back on the bottom. So we get 2 times 2 over 2x plus 1, which gives us 4 over 2x plus 1. Now this is your first mark, guys. That's finding the derivative function, because this tells us what the gradient is at any given x value. We know what the gradient is, but we want to find the x value, which means that 1 on 3 is equal to our gradient function. Right, because dy dx is simply just our gradient. From here, we can tell that 12 is equal to 2x plus 1, which tells us that x is equal to 11 on 2. That's your second mark. So what we've just found is the x value at the point where our tangent is 1 on 3, which means that this is the x value at the point where our normal has a gradient of negative 3. So from here, we then can find our y values. So we know that the x value is 11 on 2, and we need to find this y value so that we can find our a value. So our y value at this point is equal to y equals 2 log e of 2 times x, which is 11 on 2. So 2 times 11 on 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 log e. 2 times 11 on 2 is 11, so 11 plus 1 is 12. So y equals 2 log e of 12. That's our y value. This is our x value, and we know that our normal passes through that point. So y equals negative 3x plus a. We know that y is equal to 2 log e of 12. 2 log e of 12 equals negative 3. Our x value is 11 on 2 plus a. And rearranging this, we get a equals 2 log e of 12 plus 33 on 2. And guys, this is our a value. That's it. So that was a 3-mark question. As you can see, I've kind of put the marks in as we went. So first mark here, second mark here, third mark here. And that's it. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thanks for watching and have an awesome day.